Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make candy cane popcorn. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. December has arrived, and it seems like everywhere I turn I see candy canes. And since I'm a sucker for peer pressure, I've decided to devote the entire month to recipes that feature candy canes as an ingredient. Tonight, we're combining them with popcorn and white chocolate. Will it be a dream or a dud? Let's find out. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own candy cane popcorn, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using 11 cups of popcorn, this is lightly salted, no butter, 5 candy canes, and 8 ounces of white chocolate melting wafers. If you want an extra minty blast, you can include 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract. I'm also using a lined baking sheet, a spatula, a plastic bag, a 2-pound sledge, and some dish towels as cushions. Okay, let's make some candy. Crush the candy canes using your favorite tool, mine being this 2-pound sledge. Pop the popcorn, then spread it onto a large baking sheet lined with parchment paper or a silicone mat. At least this is the way I did it. You're welcome to follow my example, but I'd really recommend you use a bowl instead of a baking sheet. You'll see why in a moment. Melt the white chocolate according to the package directions. If you're going to use the peppermint extract, stir it into the chocolate after it's melted. Drizzle the melted white chocolate evenly over the popcorn, then immediately sprinkle the crushed candy canes over the mixture and toss to coat evenly. Perhaps now you'll agree that a bowl might have been a better choice. Let the mixture sit on the counter or in the fridge, then break it into clusters. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slanchiva. I can only think of 3 words to describe this. Dangerous. Seriously, with most of my candy, a single piece is enough to keep me happy. This, however, I could easily eat this entire batch in a single sitting. I rarely use the word moreish, but this is it. Sweet, salty, crunchy, minty, this has it all. I'm going to say this is full of Christmas magic because once you put it on the table, it's going to disappear like Santa at sunrise. Compadres, you really ought to try these. For this recipe, I'm using For this recipe, I'm using this I could eat.